Yeah. 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 Pulled up clean in Fayetteville town. William got the one, yeah, we lay it down. Stains be gone, yeah, you know the name. Turn on carpet fresh, make it look brand new again. 2 rooms, 1 hall, yeah, we hit it quick. Dark stains disappear, yeah, it's magic, not a trick. Steam rising up, watch the fibers glow. Before you know it, clean as snow. Mr. Bill step back like, hold on, wait. I used to do this, that's great, eh? Nodded with a smile, yeah, he knew the deal. When you see that work, you know it's real game. Stains be gone, yeah, we do it right. Fayetteville clean, make it shine so bright. William on the job, yeah, he don't play. Mr. Bill approved, Grady all day. 2 rooms, hallway, watch us glide. Dark stains gone, nowhere to hide. Call that number, don't delay. Stains be gone, clean your gate. Foot traffic heavy, stains set deep. Other guys tried but couldn't compete. We pulled up proper with the pro set up. Hit them 1 pass, yeah, they all lift up. Fresh smell hit